Modi addresses first rally in Chhapra on the last day of campaigning for second phase of assembly polls in Bihar. Prime Minister hit out at the Mahagathbandhan, calling it a double Yuvraj alliance, taking a jibe at Rahul and Tejasvi. He said that opposition doesn't care about the feeling of people of Bihar as they are born to serve their families. The Prime Minister also said that just like UP polls, the opposition will have a similar fate in Bihar elections. Prime Minister further added that double-engine NDA government will once again form the government in Bihar. While addressing people, Prime Minister once again invoked the Pulwama attack, saying opposition's bid to spread rumours has failed. The Prime Minister will now address a rally in Samastipur, followed by Motihari and Bakaha. Nitish is likely to share the dice with the Prime Minister.
आज बिहार के सामने डबल इंजन की सरकार है, तो दूसरी तरफ डबल युवराज भी है और एक तो जंगल राज के युवराज भी है। डबल इंजन वाली एनडीए सरकार बिहार के विकास के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है, तो ये डबल युवराज अपने अपने सिंहासन को बचाने की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। आपने देखा होगा 3-4 साल पहले जब उत्तर प्रदेश में चुनाव हुआ था, तो वहां भी ऐसे डबल युवराज बस के ऊपर चढ़ के काली जैकेट पहन के गांव हाथ हिला रहे थे और उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ये डबल युवराज को वहां पहचान गई थी, उनको घर लौटा दिया। तो वहां का एक युवराज अब जंगल राज के युवराज से आकर के मिल गया, अब वो यहां दोनों हाथ हिला रहे हैं। जो उत्तर प्रदेश में डबल युवराज का हुआ, वो ही बिहार में डबल युवराज और स्पेशली जंगल राज के युवराज का होने वाला है। ये डबल युवराज बिहार के लिए नहीं सोच सकते, बिहार की जनता के लिए नहीं सोच सकते। पहले चरण के मतदान का जो यहां की धरती की राजनीति के जानने वाले लोगों ने एनालिसिस किया है, कुछ पत्रकार बंधुओं ने उसका विश्लेषण किया है, पहले चरण के मतदान से साफ नजर आ रहा है कि नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में एनडीए की सरकार दोबारा बन रही है। अभी इतने बौखला गए हैं कि अब उन्होंने मोदी को भी गाली लगने लगी है। ठीक है, मुझे गाली दे दीजिए, जो मन आए बोलिए, लेकिन अपना गुस्सा बिहार के लोगों पर मत उतारिए। बिहार के लोगों को, उनकी भावनाओं को ये लोग कभी समझ नहीं सकते। वो अपने परिवार के लिए पैदा हुए हैं, अपने परिवार के लिए जी रहे हैं, अपने परिवार के लिए ही वो जूझ रहे हैं। न उनको बिहार के लोगों से कोई लेना देना है, न बिहार की युवा पीढ़ी के सपनों से कोई लेना देना है।
Ankit Tyagi is reporting from Chhapra in Bihar for the very latest and getting us all the ground reports right there. Ankit, the second phase on 3rd of November with Nitish's face missing from the posters as well, and even the Chhapra rally being addressed by the Prime Minister. How is the mood looking like on ground as far as Nitish Kumar is concerned?
Well, I think the realization of the BJP initially that they possibly would be banking on Nitish Kumar more, but after the posters were missing from the initial phase. I'll just show you. Kiran will pan and will take you to the stage where the rally has just happened. On the stage, you will see Nitish Kumar's poster, quite a big picture there of Nitish Kumar along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The fact is that the BJP is making sure that they still send out the message that Nitish Kumar is the face. Nitish Kumar is going to be the chief minister. Many analysts say that that possibly could be detrimental to the BJP's chances as well, because Nitish Kumar is facing one of the toughest elections of his lifetime. Massive anti-incumbency, particularly against the chief minister, and his hope now lies on the response and possibly what the Prime Minister can do as far as the government is concerned. It is going to be a tight race, no doubt about that. Before the election started, because of the caste combination, an election which was already given, the election which people were thinking is a slam dunk, has turned into a close quarter fight. The Prime Minister today, when he was speaking, the emphasis was on youth, because and I was at the first rally of the Prime Minister in Sasaram. There the Prime Minister spoke about China, Galwan, everything else. But here the Prime Minister, maximum focus was on the youth, trying to, once again take them back to the 15 years where Lalu Prasad Yadav was the Chief Minister. Jungle Raj ke Yuvraj, aapko wo time yaad hoga, aap chote honge, apne maa baap se puchiye. The emphasis was to try and remind people of the misgovernance, alleged misgovernance of Lalu Prasad Yadav. And it also, Chetty, gives you a sense that the BJP has realized that the usual, issues are not going to work. They will have to talk about youth, and they will have to possibly transport them back to 15 years, because a lot of young people in Bihar are angry because of lack of jobs, are angry because of lack of education. They largely are questioning Nitish Kumar's 15 years and have not faced those 15 years of Lalu Prasad Yadav. The Prime Minister today, from this very rally in Chhapra, trying to make that pitch, a very crucial second phase election on 3rd. All these, young people, those who are here, many of them are not even voters, but, they've come here. Many excited to watch the choppers, 3 choppers that took off with the Prime Minister. But overall, if I tell you, quite a responsive crowd. COVID protocols in the front were being followed, at the back they were not. But the focus of the Prime Minister was 15 years of Lalu Prasad Yadav, not on the work done by Nitish Kumar in last 15 years, Chetty.
As far as Tejasvi Yadav is concerned, as you rightly said, because you know the pulse of the ground better, that it is a closely contested fight between Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav as well. Tejasvi Yadav, before the Prime Minister's speech, has asked him, why is Bihar the hub of unemployment? He posed 11 questions to the Prime Minister before the address at Chhapra as well. But when the Prime Minister was making the speech as well, not much was spoken about the unemployment figures in Bihar, which is a ground reality.
That's right. So the Prime Minister did speak about, getting in a lot of industries. He said that for the youth of Bihar, for their future, it would be imperative that the NDA under Nitish Kumar comes back. But as I told you, the focus of the Prime Minister was more on the 15 years of Lalu Prasad Yadav than to tell the people or the youth of Bihar what Nitish Kumar has done in 15 years and what is it that the BJP and the NDA's vision for the next 5 years is. So, it looked like trying to invoke the time where people were afraid in Bihar. So, scare them into, trying to get the votes, because the pulse on the ground clearly suggests that there are people, those who are very angry, and especially the youth. Whether that youth this time decides to rise over the caste situation, the dynamics, arithmetic of which caste where, that possibly is going to decide the election. If they stick to the usual voting pattern, then on the papers, BJP and NDA look stronger. But if they are able to vote on issues that Tejasvi Yadav is speaking about, possibly there is a chance for the JDU. Nitish Kumar, who is one person is standing here with me. He's the man who is facing a very, very tough fight this election. Nitish Kumar, आप भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता हैं या JDU के?
सर दोनों थे।
दोनों के हो? तो वोट ट्रांसफर हो रहा है?
नो
नहीं हो रहा, क्यों?
क्यों भाजपा?
केवल भाजपा।
केवल भाजपा।
तो तीर को वोट पड़ेगा नहीं पड़ेगा? मोदी जी मुख्यमंत्री थोड़ी बनेंगे, मुख्यमंत्री तो नीतीश जी बनेंगे ना।
दोनों ना जरूरी है, जो भाजपा है वही मंत्री है।
भाजपा बना गया मुख्यमंत्री।
यस।
तो नीतीश जी का क्या होगा? मोदी जी तो कह के गए मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश जी बनेंगे।
अब जो वोट पड़ रहा है उसके बाद 10 तारीख तो मालूम चलेगा। यस।
जेडीयू साफ और बीजेपी ऊपर।
बीजेपी तो ऊपर है।
बीजेपी हमेशा से ऊपर है।
So I'll show you something. A towering figure of Narendra Modi versus Nitish Kumar. Now this election, at least for the BJP Karyakarta, and that's the message that a lot of people are talking about. You heard them yourself. They are hoping that the BJP does well, JDU does not, and there is a BJP chief minister that can come to the power. That's their hope. But it also tells you, Chetty, the problems that the Gathbandhan, the NDA, is going to face. The vote transferability, the immense fight that is taking place between the supporters of BJP and the JDU will tell you how difficult this task has become on the ground for the NDA.
Absolutely. Ankit continues to get us all those ground reports and gets us the reality of what is really transpiring on ground. Thanks so much, Ankit, for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates from Bihar elections.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.